have you got with you?
Well, Finchy, I'm down here with two men that have been playing together for, 8 years now? Andy, you've been George's...
We've been sharing putters for 8 years.
Sharing putters? Not just that, and George is working on...
You know, it's kind of hot out here at the AT&T, so I'm using my Faldo skincare products on my lips. This is fantastic. It makes my lips supple, yet sublime.
Oh, you know they are? You know, you're a little bristly there, I'm going to tell you. You two have been playing, we got a sort of a type A personality here in George. We've just seen you been handed around by the crowd there, and it looked like you got a serious groping. Are you all right?
I got less of an inspection getting into this country than I did crowd surfing at 15.
That's good. That's not right. That's not right. But, Andy, you're kind of, the opposite of George in terms of, you're kind of the, introvert, that quiet, that sort of thing. He's type A. You're a long way down the alphabet. What is it? I mean, do opposites attract?
Yes, we're brothers from another mother, yes.
You are, but you're not in a physical relationship of any kind?
Not until after the couple more holes.
Oh, that's a relief anyway.
We have our concubine Kenny G at the pad waiting with some Baileys.
This has been awkward. From the 16th over to anywhere else. Yeah. Anywhere else would work. Nice.
Wrong network.